Porter Life. So this is what I need right here. A couple more of the bamboo sticks. So I'm gonna go grab probably 2 of these. That way I can. They have a lot here for the garden. I mean, everything you can pick up. So it's one of my go-to spots. All right, guys. So I got all my bamboo right here, and I'm going to show you guys what I do with it with my Kentucky beans and my sweet peas. I'm gonna put these up so they can go ahead and actually trellis up and climb up the poles. Okay, so with this, I don't really have a specific way. I'm just gonna put them, where I see stuff sprouting up. Actually, these ones coming out in the middle, I'm gonna give them something to climb up. So I'm gonna put this right here. Now, all the ones that are kind of lonely by themselves, I want to put a pole next to them so that gives them something to climb up. Okay, just finished putting up all my poles. Got them going all the way up. So, looks good. Once they start growing, they should be able to